Hi, and welcome to the fourth lecture. Today I'm going to have to announce you that you remember this API that we are using, this Bitcoin average people, they no longer support this free API to unauthenticated people. So I am mad and I'm going to be using a different API from now on. I found this useful website and they also provide this free API key. So if you click it, basically you need to fill out the format and they'll give you the free API key to your email address. So you are going to receive this email once you fill out this format, and we're going to be using this API key. And I want to show you how you can figure out how to use their document. So I open their document here. First of all, you need to find the endpoint because this is the API address you're going to add up from this. You're going to add up your URL from this, and there are two modes. Obviously, one has this sandbox mode, but you already got the API key, so you don't need to use sandbox mode because that's usually for people who tests. So I scrap this, put it here, and now I'm going to find the API key that I want to use, which is this one. Hold on one second. Quotes. Okay, so here. This one. Okay. So I'm going to copy this and paste it there. Since I don't know, usually when you have the curly bracket like this, then it means programmer needs to specify this instead of putting the curly bracket and symbol ID. And now at this point, I don't know anything about the symbol ID, so I'm going to get rid of this and hit enter. Of course, at the end of this, you want to put a question mark, an API key equal sign, and your API key from your email. So I hit enter. In the previous videos, we were going through the Bitcoin in US dollars. So I do the same, and this one looks nice. So I'm going to change my API key to focus on this option. So I have this. If you take a look at this, it happened today, right? See, today, and 9 a.m., 45 minutes, 16 seconds, 15, 14. So it goes through time, right? And now is a great time to wrap up. Today I announced to you that I'm not going to be using this API anymore, and I introduced you another API which is free. And I went through how to read this document and how to check if you're using the right URL using their API. So from now on, we are going to change the URL that we previously used, and starting from there, we are going to finish up this video tutorial. Okay, so stay tuned and I'll see you in the next video.